what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Exclusively Side if you don't know me, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are a subby. So today I'm about to be doing a 15-minute quarantine glow up type of video. I'm going to attempt to get ready in 15 minutes and we're going to see if I can do it. So I'm just going to do a simple soft glam beat, and then I'm going to show you guys how I define this hair. This hair is from Cloudy Hair, and this is in the texture Jerry Curl, and it is 24 inches, but when I get to the hair portion I will tell you guys more about it, and it'll be kind of a chit chat section. But right now I'm just about to play some tunes and y'all can watch me do my makeup. Hopefully I can get it done in like 7 to 10 minutes, so I'll have 5 minutes left to do my hair. And yeah, so I'm about to start a timer. We got 15 minutes on the timer and we're about to start it.
I just touched down in the 562, reminiscing about when I'd come see you by the beach at night. Boy, in your room, I know you sleep, but you're on my mind. It's been too long, I've been on the west side. So can you get up and get out of the bed? Cause I wanna see you, and I've been wondering, can I come over? Come over, come over, come over. Oh, can I come over? Come over, come over. So tell me how you feel. We've been working hard. Let's see if we can tell how long we've been apart. Say yes, I know, cause I'm on the road. Yeah. Baby, we wanna come see you. Said I really wanna come see you. Don't you worry about a thing. I'm just wanting to hold you, embrace you. Want to look at you, tell you how much I love you, want you, need you, miss you. I just touched down in the 562, reminiscing about when I'd come see you by the beach at night. Boy, in your room, I know you sleep, but you're on my mind. It's been too long, I've been on the west side. So can you get up and get out of the bed? Cause I wanna come over, come over, come over, come over. Oh, can I come over, come over, come over? Yeah. So tell me how you feel. You've been working hard. Let's see if we can tell how long we've been apart. Say yes or no, 'cause I'm on the road. Yeah. Baby, I wanna come see you. Said I really wanna come see you. Don't you worry about a thing. I'm just wanting to hold you, embrace you. Want to look at you and tell you how much I love you, want you, need you, miss you. Yeah.
So I'm about to pause it at 3 minutes. And I am about to apply my lashes because y'all know that just doesn't count and that takes time. I'm about to apply my lashes and go get the stuff for the hair because y'all cannot dock me for going to my bathroom to get stuff for my hair. So this is about to take me like probably 5 minutes at most, but I just don't want to use the rest of my time because I know I can probably do my hair in 3 minutes. So I'll be back. So my lashes are on. They might be a little crooked, but hey, they're on. And I've set my face. Cool, whatever. That took me more time than I thought just because my lashes were just acting a little weird. And I still feel like they look weird, but hey. So I have 3 minutes and 19 seconds to spare. And I'm about to press start in 1 second. Let me just get myself together. Okay, cool. So I'm about to press start, but let me just show y'all what I'm just about to be using. I'm about to use a spray bottle, some conditioner, and my Denman brush. And I'm just going to basically not drench my hair or, you know, get it like soaking wet. I just kind of want the poofy but defined look. So I'm about to show y'all how to do that because this hair has been in a ponytail for about a week just sitting in my drawer. So it probably has like a huge dent in it. And we really just want to get that out. So I'm about to show y'all. It's probably looking like real stale. So we're just going to show y'all how to, you know, freshen up y'all wigs and stuff during this quarantine. You can't be having your wig stale for too long or that's, you know, they're gonna go bad and you gotta really revive your wig. See, and now it's all tangled and stuff. Like, ooh, can't deal with that. Alright, so yeah, we're just about to fix this stale mess and we're gonna do that in 3 minutes and 19 seconds. And start. So I'm just gonna split this in half. That's what I normally do. And then just spray this down and get it not soaking wet, but like wet enough. And I'm gonna take some conditioner. And I love that coconut conditioner. It smells so good. And I'm about to run my hands through this. Now it is so, Paul, no. Paul, close the door. It is so tangled. I'm just about to comb through it. Well, brush through it. And make sure there's no kinks and whatever. Because, not in my hair. And the end normally is just a mess. So I'm just about to spray that down a little bit more. Do that. Now I'm about to do the other side. This is such a hard side to do when you're right-handed without like spraying your face. Ugh. This is so annoying. But y'all, let me tell y'all, I really like this hair. I've collabed with Clay, I forgot, I don't really know how you say it, but I've collabed with them numerous times with different kinds of hair, short hair, curly hair, straight hair, and I really am a supporter of their brand and stuff. Like, I really love it. But hey, okay, now I have a little shedding, but that's just because we were stale and tangled. And I got 57 seconds left to brush this side of the hair. It looks so pretty when you just add some water to it, when it's just not stale. Like, oh my gosh. So pretty. Okay. So I got 30 seconds left. And I want to really kind of like, let me see. I'm going to spray this. I wish I had my hot comb in here, but it is what it is. I'm basically just spraying like the under, above the baby hairs, not on the lace or anything, because you don't want your lace to lift. Thanks Siri. But anyways, I'm really done. I just want to do an extra step, and I just put some conditioner and water on there. And then I'm about to take the comb part of my edge brush and just kind of like pull the hairs that way. Well, not pull, but literally comb / brush the hairs up that way, just so you have kind of like a hairline type of look. Because I did pluck this. I'm trying to learn how to pluck my wigs very well and pluck them like a pro. So, you know, when I figure that out, I'm definitely going to share the secret with y'all. But yeah, so let me see. Did I do it right? Did I do it well enough? Some of it is a little more defined than the other area, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. This is really cute to me. I need a little bit more water. Realistically, no, I cannot get ready in freaking 15 minutes. That's just the moral of that story. I can probably get ready in 30. If you just give me 30 minutes, I can probably get ready in like 25. But you know, when you're pressured to get ready so fast like that, you know? So, this is the hair. This is Jerry curl, and it's very similar to your deep wave hair. It's just not deep wave hair. It is kind of like a Jerry curl type of thing, but type of wave curl, I should say. But I really do like this hair. It kind of gives me a different type of curl look other than our deep wave or water wave hair. So I'm really loving this hair, and this is how you quarantine glow up in 15 to 20 minutes. I tried to make it as realistic as possible, but hey, so if you guys want details about this hair, go ahead and check the description box, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on, because I am posting every couple days and you don't want to miss a video. So bye.